Hello, welcome to yet another episode of The Sky This Week. To begin with, let us look at the evening sky. Time around 7 pm. As we do every time, easily recognizable constellation Cassiopeia can be identified, and with the help of Cassiopeia, we can locate the pole star. With this, we can know all the cardinal directions. This bright star here in northeast is Capella of Auriga constellation. These two bright stars, Castor and Pollux of Gemini, are seen in northeast. In the east, elegant Orion remains the most attractive constellation of the night sky. The red star Betelgeuse, blue giant Rigel, and Orion Nebula are easy to locate. Betelgeuse, along with Sirius and Procyon, makes up the winter triangle. Bright star Canopus is seen here in southeast. Achernar of Eridanus in south and Fomalhaut of Piscis Austrinus in southwest can be seen. Red planet Mars will be near the zenith. As Mars now is in Aries, you can try to identify stars of Aries. You should be able to see planet Mercury near the western horizon just after the sunset. Now let us look at the pre-dawn sky. Around 5 am, red star Antares of Scorpio along with other stars of constellation will be visible in southeast. With the help of Alpha Centauri and Beta Centauri, Centaurus can be identified in south. Southern Cross is just next to it. Stars of Big Dipper or Saptarishi Mandala are prominently seen in northern sky. Remember that pole star can also be located by using these two stars of Saptarishi Mandala. Bright star Vega of Lyra constellation can be seen in northeast. On 28th, you can observe full moon being near to Pushya Nitya Nakshatra. Because of this reason, this lunar month in Indian calendar is called Pushya Masa.